Hey, hello, my name is Jacqueline. I am a private jet flight attendant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited about today's video. I am partnering with Nomad Lane and I am here to talk about carry-on baggage and to showcase their Nomad Lane V4 Bento carry-on bag. I thought the best way to go about this video was obviously to give you a bag tour to highlight the incredible features that it has, but also as a flight attendant who's been flying for 11 years, I'm a very seasoned traveler and I've really nailed down what to put in my carry-on bag. So I'm gonna share with you top things that you absolutely must pack in your carry-on, and I would love for you to leave your must-haves in the comments below. I may have forgotten something, pregnancy brain, and you may have tips or tricks that can help me also. All right, first, let's take a look at this gorgeous bag. This is the Nomad Lane V4 Bento bag carry-on. It's perfect, it's chic, I love it so much. It's got plenty of storage. My favorite compartment is this oversized center where you can organize your laptop. It's cushioned, so you don't have to worry about bumping into someone and damaging your electronics. Then there's this netting, and this is perfect for organizing your electronic cords, headphones, and anything else you may need. Another great feature of this bag is it has an expandable and adjustable water bottle holder. So once you get through security and you can purchase your liquids again, I love that. Airplanes are so dehydrating. This is a definite must. All right, there's one last thing that I want to feature on this bag. It's so versatile. I absolutely love it. So there's handle straps. You can carry it like this. You can set it on top of your suitcase, or in this back compartment, there is a Nomad Lane adjustable shoulder strap. So you just clip it over here and you can walk through the airport like this. All right, getting right to it. The first thing that I always make sure that I have in my carry-on bag, because my carry-on bag comes on every single trip with me, whether it's work-related or whether it's just for private travel that I do on my own, I always have my passport. And with work, I would say 75% of the trips that I do are international flights. Plus that's the documentation I give when I'm going through the security line. It's just easy to have it right there. The second thing I always have in my carry-on bag is a water bottle. If I'm traveling for work, it's a full water bottle. If I'm traveling for leisure, it is an empty water bottle that I fill up once I pass the security lines. It's gonna be hard to pick like the top 3 items that are needed, but these 2 items are definitely in there. And that's my electronics case. I have my phone charger, my Apple Watch charger, I have my iPad charger, computer, headphones, every kind of charger you could possibly need, I like to keep with me, because if my checked bag gets lost, I know if I go to the hotel, I at least have a way to hopefully track it because my phone, my accessories are all charged. Something else equally as important as that are my headphones. When I'm commuting or not traveling with my family, this might make me sound horrible, but I'm gonna tell you one of my secrets. I always board the plane with my headphones on, and that's because when I'm on an airplane, I like to get in the window seat, I like to read my book, I don't want to be disturbed. So I feel like if I walk on the airplane with my headphones on, it sends a signal like, hey, I'm listening to something. Probably not a good time to start a conversation right now. And honestly, half the time my headphones are turned off because I would rather be reading than watching a movie or listening to music. Another carry-on necessity is any medication that you may need. Again, bags get lost. If you are on a daily regimen, you cannot afford to miss that. You must have your medication with you. On top of the medication, I actually like to keep it in my toiletries bag. I always have a mini size toothbrush and toothpaste. It's compliant, you can bring it through security. And I also have my backup makeup in there, because I like to look presentable, because I work in airports, I vlog in airports. It just makes me feel better about traveling. I like to travel in style. And speaking of traveling in style and having your electronic devices with you, I do always have one of those travel adapters. This way, if I'm flying to a foreign country, I have it with me. I never ever take it out of my suitcase, except for when I'm obviously charging my electronic devices, but I always just keep it in my carry-on at all times. I also love to pack a book, a magazine, a little sweater, and last but definitely not least, I love a good snack on an airplane. I think it's an absolute travel must to go to the airport convenience stores, pick up snacks. It's a time where I like to indulge in my guilty pleasures. And I always make sure to have plenty of snacks for me in my carry-on bag. So don't forget to list your carry-on must-haves below in the comments. I really look forward to hearing what you all have to say. I'd like to say thank you so much to Nomad Lane for sponsoring this video. It was just such a fun partnership to do. So thank you again, Nomad Lane, for sponsoring this vlog. I'm gonna link all of their information down below. This bag comes in a ton of colors. It's very chic. It's definitely a must-have. Thank you all for watching.